I'm curious to know ano yung kanyang red flag. Hi sir, do you think good work should speak for itself or does it need to be actively communicated? In a perfect world, okay, medyo controversial 'tong sasabihin ko. In a perfect world, good work should speak for itself. Okay? In a perfect world. Okay? But our world is not perfect. Many bosses don't see what you're doing and they sometimes overlook yung value ng empleyado. So sometimes you have to learn to promote yourself. I'm not talking about sip-sip. I'm just talking about perception management, no? Importante na ma-manage natin yung perception ng mga tao sa atin, ano? Because that will help us in our career trajectory, no? So again, sana the work speaks for itself, but in reality that seldom happens, no?